I ran a business, not 100% really sure what I was doing every month. I wasn't fully aware of my figures. I would say it was chaotic. It was how I ran the business before. I realised I think I needed a little bit of business training, and when I saw the advert for it, I thought, that's for me. And the Trade Mastermind training is completely different because that teaches you how to run a business, not just operate within a business. You always think you're good at what you do, but until you realise what you're missing out on, I think that's the point when you suddenly start to realise you need some extra training, and that's what I've been given from Trade Mastermind. I think the advantage of being taught by ex-tradesmen, rather than people just sort of reading from a book, they're telling you their story and how they progressed from being where we are to where they are and how we could get on that journey with them. The community aspect here at Trade Mastermind really helps you with answering questions you don't even know you need to ask. Someone will ask a question and that will get answered within the group, and then you'll go, blimey, I needed to know that, but you didn't realise you needed to know it. So having that community around you sort of opens your eyes to certain things that you're not really aware of. I would recommend Trade Mastermind to anybody that's looking to further their career within their business, who wants to get off the tools, who wants to maybe take their business to another level.